Hello everyone, Andrew here with Website Boss, and today I'm going to show you guys how to create a new blog post from scratch. So it's very simple. As you can see here, we are in Website Boss's WP admin, the dashboard. So make sure you are of course logged in to your site. Then you basically want to go on the sidebar here. There's a few ways of doing it actually. You can go to the top here and go new post, or you can go to posts here and go add new. So click that, click either of those, and then you're taken to the new post page. You see here, the first thing to do is to add a new title. So we'll call it new blog post. Now there's two different ways of creating a blog layout. If you're just pretty much just using text and images, I highly recommend you use the default editor as opposed to Divi. Now I know that we obviously build all of our sites with Divi, but with blog posts, you want to keep it fairly simple. You go use default editor, and then as you can see here, we are now in the blog format. So this is with the new Gutenberg editor. This is, if you haven't used WordPress for a few years, this is the new default editor. And all you have to do is you can start typing your posts and it will show up. You can go new paragraph. You can add an image. For example, adding an image is very simple. You simply go here, click add image, and then you can upload one or go to the media library. Let's look at our media library and just upload that. Write a caption. There we go. So essentially it's just, you add each section. There's sections like this. You can add a header, you can add text. For example, if you want to delete an element, all you have to do is remove the block. Basically it's set up in a block format. So you've got this, you see there, it's a heading, image, or even a gallery. So if we want to have a heading, sub heading, we can very simply do that and then tab in to the next paragraph. So it's fairly simple to use. I would recommend using the default editor, using Divi, or not using Divi, sorry, because Divi, it requires you to then set it up into its own blocks and create all this custom stuff from scratch. Whereas if you can do it like this, it's essentially like setting up a Word document. Anyway guys, hope you enjoyed this little video. When you're done, by the way, you can either preview it or schedule the post or publish it. If you see here, you'll see that you can select whether it's public, private, password protected, when it can be published. And we're gonna say immediately. You can also add a featured image to it. For example, like this. And then it'll appear when you actually go to the finished article, it'll appear under the blog post title. So for example, we're gonna publish this now. And then once we've done that, we can go view the post and you'll see this is what it will look like on your site. You see there, we have it centered in ours. For most people's website, it'll be on the left. But anyways, you've got the featured image here, then you've got the text and then the subheading, and this is our own stuff here for our own site. But basically that's how you do it. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.